Okay, at this point, I finished the sanding on the bowl. Total time for sanding was about an hour and a half is all. I used a variable speed belt sander using a 60 grit sandpaper that I only replaced once. And it would have gone quicker if I had to keep taking breaks for rain. It's about an hour and a half sand. You can see its bowl outer edge is extremely smooth. So now the next stage, what I do, take the bowl, put it onto the rim, and I very carefully moved it around to make sure I had the same radius all the way around on the rim as I start to stand. It's always a good idea too, once you trace your line so that the bowl goes back onto here perfectly, I also put a reference line across the rim and then put a reference line on here. Now what I'm going to do when I sand is I'm going to sand at an angle so that it gets to the line where the bowl meets up, because you don't want to sand past there. If you sand past there, you're not going to have a flush, smooth, parallel surface with the ground to meet up perfectly with your bowl to adhere to the two pieces. So you have to make sure you don't get past that line. What I'll do is sand from this line outward on the rim and then leave maybe about a 1/4 inch or so on the thickness of the outer edge of the rim. This will probably take about half an hour to get done. When I get done with this, I'll take a picture of it and I'll also post this on Roman Army for you guys with some more instructions. And then what I'm going to do is take the bowl, glue it and weight it to the rim, let it dry 24 hours, and then on the next video sequence, I'll show you how to attack the inside.